Let's look at the ingredients required to make a chicken curry. Some spices, green chilies, curry leaves, ginger, tomatoes, potatoes, 4 to 5 big onions, garlic. Now let's peel and wash all the ingredients. Later, take a pressure cooker, pour some oil and then add the dry spices. I have added cinnamon sticks, cloves, bay leaves, black cardamoms and green cardamom. Later I added thinly sliced big onions. Cook them till they become translucent. In a mixer jar or mortar and pestle, take some cumin seeds, fennel seeds, black peppercorns, ginger and garlic and crush them well. Slit the green chilies and add these into the cooker. Add the masala which we prepared into the pressure cooker. Add some curry leaves, fresh curry leaves to give good fragrance. Now here I have cleaned the meat and kept. Now I am adding crystal salt water. You can add a table salt powder as well as per your taste. Next I am adding dry spice powders like chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and garam masala powder. Roast this well for about 2 minutes. The coriander powder when roasted well will give a very nice fragrance and taste. Next I am adding tomatoes and cooking them till the oil gets separated. Coriander powder was very less when I added, so I refilled it and now I added around 1 tablespoon. Before I had added half tablespoon, so 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder. Roast them very well till the oil separates. Then add large chunks of potato. This is optional. It gives bulk to the curry. Stir them well and cook for 2 minutes. Later you can add the chicken pieces. Cleaned and drained chicken pieces. Again stir them well and you can add around a half cup of water. Half to 1 cup of water. The chicken also releases lots of water, so no need to add too much water. I am just cleaning the jar and adding that water into it. You can add coriander leaves now, or you can add later after cooking it. Now close the pressure cooker. Since this is a broiler chicken, it doesn't take too much time to cook. You can cook it in pan. After 10 minutes, when we open, it's done. Look at the color.